So where are we going today?
Exploring San Diego, parts unknown
Okay.
to us.
So where are you going now, Veronica?
We're going to a spot called Isola
Okay.
Bakery. It's supposed to be very nice. We shall see. Just getting here with
Where is it? Is that it right there?
Yep.
What are you gonna order, Veronica?
I'm gonna order a coffee and some kind of something to eat.
Just order whatever you can get. I'll find us a seat. Huh?
I don't got VicandJeff kind of money.
So what did you get?
Croissant and Americano.
Okay. You didn't get the breakfast sandwich?
They don't have any.
Oh.
I didn't see any.
Oh, it's not this. It's the other restaurant
The other
now.
one.
Okay.
That's crazy.
I'm gonna pull out the blade.
Yeah. They'll bring out coffee right now.
Hold up the blade, or shows the blade. There we go.
No, this is serious. Cream, please. Thank you.
Were you guys waiting on anything else?
No, that was all. Thank you.
Thank you.
Americano, croissant, and BB.
That's kind of cool.
Huh?
That's kind of cool.
I know. Oh wow, that's really good. Ready? You hear the crunch? Wow. Look at all those layers.
So where are you to now?
We just finished Isola. We had a coffee and a croissant. Now we're gonna go to a Japanese bakery
Okay.
and try some curry pong, hopefully.
I just saw someone get out, so.
That's the curry pong, and that's a macadamia something or other.
Okay.
I thought you'd like that.
Okay. Did you bring your blade to cut that? You see steam off it? Smells good. Aroma vision.
Man, this one has a lot more filling. than Okayama.
Yeah. So what do you got there?
A little matcha latte. My quest to find the best matcha around.
Okay. Excuse me.
Oh, sorry.
Latte, just your basic.
You gonna drink it? Tell
Yeah.
us what you think of it. So what do you got there?
Chicken, katsu, sando.
Okay.
They make their bread. That special
Oh, that's good.
flour.
That looks good. Boy, you're a lagger. I'm trying to get you to.
Oh, to take a bite?
Yes.
This looks mega.
It's good. Blink once if it's good. Blink twice for good.
But
I wasn't a fan of it. It was like
like not even too either.
Okay. So where have you landed now?
Bird Rock Coffee, San Diego.
Stand right
Yeah.
there. Where are you now, Veronica?
San Diego's Bird Rock Coffee and Roasters. They roast their own coffee. As you can see, all the beans in the back.
So Veronica,
Yes.
what is in this box right here?
Oh, it's a little treat from Asa Bakery.
But we're not at Asa Bakery though right now.
No.
So what do you got there?
It's called the Sandpiper. It's hazelnut latte.
Okay.
And the cup's pretty cool in it. Little Christmas scene.